Hello my friends and welcome back to MyiDevice again. In this tutorial I will show you how to transform your old iPhone into a microphone for free. You can use to record audio on your computer. Actually this simple hack lets you repurpose your old device instead of letting it collect dust. In my opinion, this is the best and cheapest way to use your old iPhone as a professional microphone instead of paying a lot of money for a microphone. This can come in handy for recording podcasts, voiceovers, music and more. All you need for this method is an old iPhone, AUX cable, lightning to headphone jack adapter, which you can find it on App Store or everywhere. I mean Amazon or another site. So with this information, let's get started. Welcome back guys. In the first step, take your iPhone and go to the App Store. After you open the App Store, go to search bar and type Megaphone. As you can see in the video, Megaphone. Be patient and wait for the result. And here, as you can see guys, the app we need is here. Megaphone voice amplifier. So we need to download this app. Tap the download and wait. So after the app is completely downloaded, close the App Store and open up the app. Let me see the app. Yeah, it's here and I will open up it. Here, tap on OK and give access to your microphone. Now tap on Continue. And here select the output. Just tap it. Here you can see guys 3 options: wired audio, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are paid and wired audio is free. So tap on it. Now it's time to plug your audio adapter into your iPhone's lightning port. Here I will tell you how to do that. So first of all, as I told you, we need to lightning to actually headphone jack adapter and AUX cable. So I will tell you how to do that. So here, as you can see, my left hand is headphone jack adapter and my right hand is AUX cable. So connect your AUX cable, actually socket, to your headphone jack adapter like this. Now connect another side of your AUX cable to your PC or laptop. It's so obvious and easy guys. Just connect your AUX cable connector to your microphone port. And as you can see, it has a microphone icon. Just connect it. Now it's time to connect your headphone jack adapter to your iPhone. So easy guys. Just connect your socket like this. Yes, as you can see guys, now our continue button is active. Now just tap on it and here just tap on ready and here no thanks. That's it. In this step we have an important point guys. Here I will tell you, when you tap on input tab, you will see 3 options: bottom microphone, front microphone and back microphone. And I will tell you what are that. I made it so easy to understand with this slide for you. Each of these options is related to location of your iPhone's microphones. It depends on yourself guys to select which one of your microphone. Actually I myself always use front microphone. Here I will tell you what's the story. As you can see, this is my front mic, here back mic, and here you can see bottom microphone. And here's the important point, guys. When you select your microphone, I mean front or bottom or back, you should close your mouse and speak there. Set your volume up from the end of the value. Now go back to Windows. Now go to your control panel and try to find sound. And here, as you can see, sound. Just click on it. And here on recording tab, you should see your microphone is working or not. Go to properties, you can select it here or here. Select levels tab, and here is the so important point, guys. Pay attention. In this section, apply these settings to increase the quality of your voice and reduce the noise of your voice to a minimum. Set your microphone boost to 0, and here you can playing with microphone value to actually find your best quality of your voice. Another important tip, guys, to know if you are on the right track and your microphone is working, is that your microphone indicator should go up and down when you are speaking to your microphone. As you can see, it goes up and down. Guys, if you have installed Realtek audio card on your system, you can go here on your taskbar, right click on your sound icon and choose sound manager, and here you can manage your sound. As you can see, there is a 3 option here, and I recommend to you always turn on your noise suppression, and it will help your system to reduce your noise on your voice. And here in downside, you can manage your microphone boost and your microphone volume, and as I told you before. Again, as you can see, my microphone boost is 0, and I will turn on my noise suppression, and here is nothing left to do. Now let me tell you a funny trick, guys, and useful, guys, to reduce your voice noise. You can use one of your socks and put it here, and use your front microphone. As you can see, I use one of my socks here, and you can make it like this and put it here. It's so useful, guys. I recommend you always use this trick. Now it's time to test your microphone quality. Go to your Windows search bar and type voice recorder. Now click on app. As you can see, it's here. Now just click on microphone icon and try to speak.
Hello my friends, and welcome back to MyiDevice again. This is the first test.
Now hear the result.
Hello my friends, and welcome back to MyiDevice again. This is the first test.
One more time and test it again.
Pay attention, guys, we don't have any noise on our voice. So this is the great and best method to use your iPhone as a microphone.
Hear the result.
Pay attention, guys, we don't have any noise on our voice. So this is the great and best method to use your iPhone as a microphone.
Here is nothing left to say, my friends. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked this video, please like it and share it with your friends who need this trick. Don't forget that to subscribe my channel. I will upload every week a new and good and tricky video for you. So be careful of yourself. See you soon, guys. Goodbye.